You guys had an extra video because you had one more piece to your assignment than the regular classes did this time. So I want to make sure you got a video to help you with it. So yours that you have that they did not was this level 2. And I probably should have assigned it to them because it's actually a little bit easier than it seems. What makes it level 2 is that there are 3 pieces. So we'll start with just graphing this x minus 3 from x less than or equal, less than -1. And one way you could go about starting these, since it's not as simple as put it on there and then restrict the domain, like the last one was, we have to do the whole, draw a line and get it from the right spot. One thing you could do is, I know you could graph it on Desmos, we all know that. But another thing that you could try, if it's interesting to you, is to plug in the endpoint. So if I plug into this top one, x minus 3, but I type in -1 minus 3, if I go ahead and substitute it, I know I'm starting at -4. So I've got a point at, I plugged in the number -1, and I got out -4. So I can start there, and I know my slope is 1. So I'll get rid of that. Start down at -1, -4, and my slope is 1. This only counts for x less than -1. So I need this to be an arrow and this to be an open circle. Y equals -6 from -1 to 2. So from -1 on the x to 2 on the x, the y has to be at 6. Closed circle, open circle. And then, 2x minus 10, right? So I'm going to plug in 2x minus 10. I'm going to plug in the x value 2, and I got out -6. So I know I'm starting at 2, -6, and it says for x greater than or equal to 2. All right? So from here, and my slope is 2, so up 1 over 1, and arrow. I think this should be the right graph. I can always check it. One of you hit enter, it'll check it for you. But I can also type it in. Oh, and I should get in the habit of typing in y equals so you guys can feel the glory. This is an equation. All right, let's see what this guy looks like. There she blows. So there it is. Whoa, it looks pretty darn good to that. I think we're good. All right, so we had 3 parts, but it's still just a piecewise function. Let's do 2 more. So x minus 4 for x less than 3. So what is 3 minus 4? And I know what point I'm starting at. Plugged in 3, I got -1. So 3, -1, and whoops, get rid of that. 3, -1, it should look like this. For all the x less than that, and not equal to, so open it up. X equals 3, 6. So at equals 3, the y value is 6. That is, -6. Literally just a point. just getting a straight line. How do they want me to put this up point in there? Close circle. Oh, that's what it has to close circle. There we go. Got it. And then if I plug in 3 to that bottom one, I get -1. So that point is 3, -1. 3, negative. Oh, look how cute it is. And then it has a slope of 2. So up to, oh, I need a line. Get rid of that. Here, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and forever there, and open there. I think this is the right guy. Let's find out. Okay, so I'm getting slap happy because it's really late. Really late or early, depending on which day you're looking at. All right, but that's the idea. Okay. And if you ever need help, you can always hit show example and then they walk you through it. You can always hit Desmos. And sometimes there are even little videos. Oh, video killed a radio star. So there you go. Okay. So all of these is due next Sunday, October 18th.